Are you a dog trainer struggling to fill your schedule in 2025? Maybe you've got the skills, the passion, and even a few happy clients, but still, something's missing. Your inbox is quiet, your phone's not buzzing, and your dog training snapshot is getting likes, but not leads. Well, that ends today, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to attract the right people to your dog training business consistently, without wasting time or burning cash. If you're ready to grow your dog training snapshot into a client-getting machine, let's jump in. Step 1. Know exactly who you're trying to help. Before we dive into marketing hacks and platforms, let's get clear on one thing: your ideal client. Are you targeting busy professionals with aggressive dogs, new puppy parents, families with anxious rescues? Why is this important? Because your message, your offers, and your online presence must speak directly to them. When people see that you understand their specific struggles, they're more likely to trust you. Write down the type of dogs you love training, the most common problems you solve, the kinds of clients you enjoy working with. This is the foundation of your dog training snapshot strategy. The clearer you are, the better your results. Step 2. Polish your dog training snapshot to convert, not just impress. You might already have a dog training snapshot. Maybe it's on Instagram, Facebook, or even in a local online listing. But here's the truth. Most dog trainers treat their profile like a resume when it should be a sales tool. Here's how to fix that. Your profile photo should show you confidently training a dog, smiling, relaxed, and approachable. Your bio should clearly say what you do and who you help. Example: I help busy dog parents turn chaos into calm with positive dog training in Austin, TX. Add a call to action. DM me calm to get a free training tip for your anxious pup. This shifts your profile from passive to active, turning it into a quiet salesperson that works 24/7. Step 3. Use local SEO to show up where clients are searching. You don't need to go viral to get clients, you just need to show up when local dog owners are looking for help. Here's how. Get listed on Google Business Profile. Add your location, business hours, photos, and a booking link. Encourage happy clients to leave reviews. Use keywords naturally. If you're a dog trainer in Denver, mention dog training in Denver on your website, your snapshot bio, and your YouTube titles. Embed local content. Post pictures of you working in recognizable places, dog parks, local events, community centers. This boosts your local trust. Even if you're running a virtual dog training program, highlighting a specific area helps you dominate a niche first before expanding. Step 4. Offer one clear, irresistible freebie. Let's face it, people love free stuff, but random giveaways don't build loyalty. The key is to offer value that solves a tiny version of a big problem. Create a free calm dog starter guide, or top 3 mistakes new puppy owners make and how to fix them. Make this available on your snapshot and your website. Ask for an email in exchange. Boom, you're now building a warm audience of potential clients who already trust you. This is where the real magic starts. Step 5. Consistency. Perfection in content creation. Your dog training snapshot should be active, but that doesn't mean dancing with your dog every day. What it does mean is posting at least 3 to 4 times a week, sharing quick reels showing before and after results, giving bite-sized tips like how to stop leash pulling in 3 steps, posting testimonials from real clients. People don't buy from strangers, they buy from familiar faces, and consistent content makes you familiar. Pro tip: use the same colors, hashtags, and tone in your posts. This builds recognition and trust. Step 6. Run a simple local ad for quick growth. If you've got a little budget, put it to work. A $5 a day Facebook or Instagram ad can bring in highly targeted leads. Create a short video ad. Introduce yourself. Show a quick clip of a dog transformation. Invite viewers to book a free 15-minute consult. Make sure the ad links to a simple page with your contact form or calendar. Even one new client per week can add up quickly and pay for your ad spend 10x over. Step 7. Turn every client into a raving fan. Dog training is personal. When people trust you with their dog, they're trusting you with a member of their family. So go the extra mile, send follow-up texts, check in after sessions, offer a small thank you gift. Then, ask for a referral. Most happy clients are willing, they just don't think of it unless you ask. Offer them $20 off their next session if they refer a friend. Happy clients are free marketing. Step 8. Create a simple funnel that works while you sleep. Here's the deal. You need to automate your dog trainer marketing. Step 1. Lead magnet, like your free training guide. Step 2. Email follow-up with tips and success stories. Step 3. Call to book a session. Use simple tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. You don't need anything fancy, just set it once and let it run. This way, your dog training Snapshot becomes more than a gallery. It becomes a lead generating machine. Step 9. Build a community, not just a client list. Your ultimate goal? Turn clients into superfans. Start a private Facebook group. Happy Paws. Dog training tips for local pet parents. Post weekly lives, answer questions, spotlight client wins. This builds loyalty and positions you as the go-to expert in your area. You're not just training dogs, you're leading a community. That's what will take your dog training Snapshot to the next level in 2025. Final thoughts. Take action today. The truth is the dog training industry is growing fast, but so is the competition. What will make you stand out is not just your skills, but your visibility, your strategy, and your connection with dog owners. Let your dog training Snapshot tell a story, not just of you, but of every dog you've helped. Show results, give value, and speak to your ideal client's heart. If you do that, clients will come, not by accident, but by design. Be clear, be visible, be consistent, and don't forget to treat your business like the valuable service it is. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips to grow your dog training business in 2025 and beyond. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll personally reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.